Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing and how do you like my new setup? So guys, in this video I'm going to tell you, I'm going to show you my top 3 favorite nude lipsticks. So this is my current favorite and let's not talk anymore. Let's just start with the video. So my first lipstick is the one that I'm wearing right now. It's by Forever 52. It's a really nice shade. I'll tell you the shade. It's called MLC 009 and it's not very matte. It's semi-matte and doesn't dry your lips at all. So I'm already wearing it, so I'm going to put some more and show you. Very easy to apply. So this is what it looks like. Not very pink, not very nude also. I mean, it's like that brownish nude. So this is my first one. So moving on to my second favorite lipstick. This one's by YSL. And yes, this is the high-end one. I really like this one too. The shade number is 214. And look at the packaging. It looks so fancy and nice. So I'm going to apply it and show it to you. This has that pinkish tone. So here we go. So this has that little tinge of pink, you know, and this is nice. Again, this is not very matte. This is semi-matte and doesn't dry your lips at all. It smells amazing. Moving on to my third one now. So my third favorite one is this one, guys. You've kept asking me a lot of times because you've seen me wearing this in a lot of my videos. I used to wear it like a lot. Okay, I really like this lipstick and it's drugstore. It's not very expensive. Not expensive, it's just like 250 bucks, I think. So this one is by Miss Claire and the shade is 47. This is their semi-matte lip cream. I'm gonna apply it and show it to you guys now. So this is what it looks like, guys. As I told you, it's semi-matte. I really like this color. You can wear it to office or college, and this is very like budget friendly. So these were the 3 lipsticks that I showed you. One was high-end, second one was okay, not very expensive, not very cheap, and this one is like really budget friendly. It's almost like 250 bucks. And I hope you liked it, and let me know in the comment section below if you have any more questions, and you know, let me know what videos do you want to see. And I will see you soon. And guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is called Leena Official. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon.